Hey there, Afterpay users! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will help you tackle some common problems you might encounter with your Afterpay account and provide solutions to fix them. Whether it's payment issues, account access problems, or something else, we've got you covered. But before we dive into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest contents, okay? So the first issue we'll address is if you have difficulty logging in or your account has been, the term is frozen right here, or like you have a payment declined. It's usually the common problem, right? Um, what I would suggest if you encounter everything that has related to Afterpay, if you're losing, if you're lost in the navigation process, okay, all you're gonna do is hover down to the help center here where it says if your account is frozen, okay? So if you encounter any error message saying that your account is frozen, there might be a couple of reasons why. So here it says if you had recently had multiple requests to extend your payments, your account may be frozen, recently, and until you don't settle the payment, you can't access the basically your account. Okay, so what you need to do is once the payment or balance has been paid, you let the customer service know so that they will do something on their end and remove the freeze from your account. Okay, that's one method. All right, and if you have any other problems that you've encountered for the afterpay, all right, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.